Okay, it's been a long day, been at work, drafting, quick video on Bitcoin, where we are, where we're going to, what we can expect next. So Bitcoin, what can we expect next? The current order book structure for Bitcoin presents a bleak picture and traders are rightly calling it scary. The distribution of liquidity on the main exchanges following the recent market crash is widely out of balance. Buyers are pulling back, sell walls are getting thinner, making Bitcoin extremely susceptible to another steep decline. If Bitcoin reclaims support, consolidates, goes sideways, it could then push up to 150k, which is where I have it charted. If ETF follows and institutional demand continues, this is a realistic mid to upper target. So CryptoQuant believes 160 200k. Don't know. Are they smoking opium pipe? It's a big number. Really, really a big number. I'm not sure we're going to push to that high. Let's have a look anyway. So we're on the way down. That's where we are right now. So we're on the way down. The next targets we've got are 102k, 98k. This goes back to these lows. So back to these lows back in June and the one we just had, and you can see the support here where I've took the line right across and support here. Now I don't think we're going to go below 98k. So what we could expect after the 98k, if we go that low, remember, you would expect a complete V reversal. Now the next target would be 126k. There isn't much resistance right here, right? So we've not built any resistance really. So possibly a touch at 117-ish, maybe. Possibly another touch. Yeah, 126, right? So when we do the V reversal, 126k, that's the next target before the next leg up. So what we're seeing right now is a bearish correction scenario. Bitcoin fails to hold support zones, which it's doing right now, back towards 100k. I've got it charted at 98k, but 100k is what other people are sort of saying, or lower, possibly retesting the 200-day moving averages, which is called an EMA, estimated moving average. So the 200-day EMA, we're already past it. This is the 200-day EMA. So we're past that. We've broke through all these supports. Now you can sort of see on the 21 and the 34, you sort of play around there. But the 200-day EMA, sort of been trading above it for some time. We're coming down below it now. We're on the way down, 102, 98, 126. The biggest concern that personally I have, I've said this for some time, I can't see anyone else saying it, is the last bull run looks like what we've just had. Why anyone else is expecting more? Oh, I'm so dubious. That's it. I'm just so dubious about it. Moving on. Why corrections happen? When I was new to crypto, you try and chart these things. You wonder why they're happening, what's pushing them. So what's happening right now? Profit taking, early investors selling off their big gains. Quite a lot of people are selling. When the market crashes, this is because your bigger whales are selling off. Something happens, something came out in the news, Donald Trump weighs 100% tariffs. The whales selling, over leveraging, too many orders, too many traders borrow money. When price dips, liquidations accelerate the fall. It's called a liquidation cascade. So this is part of the reason you get these big dips. Liquidation cascade. Everyone's getting liquidated. They've got their lungs on because they believe Bitcoin's going higher. they get liquidated, everyone gets liquidated, and they're out. Negative news, the 100% tariff on China. This is what Donald Trump was talking about. The war, all of that stuff. It's the same happened in the last bull run. The war, COVID, everything was affected. That's why in the last bull run, as you will know, this was COVID right here. Fuck, it ruined everything for us. Ruined it all. Didn't get the big finish. Didn't get the big parabolic finish that everyone was expecting. Technical resistance. Bitcoin hits a strong price ceiling and can't break higher, which was the 126k. That's not the reason. It could be the reason in other situations. It's not the reason right now. Donald Trump was the reason we had the pullback come down just now. So let's see what happens next. I can expect a complete V-reversal, up, some resistance, back down, and then up again to the next leg. 150k is where I think we're at. Anyway, quick video. If you like it, like the video, subscribe, help my channel grow. Let's get the videos looking a wee bit better. Thanks for watching.